All right, so we're gonna add our 2 sticks of butter here. Butter is getting nice and melted. This is the perfect time to kind of just move it around and get it nice and heated. You can kind of flip sides so that that butter starts to melt a little bit quicker. But once that butter starts forming a melted consistency, you're gonna go ahead and pour in your caramel. I'm anxious to know, do you guys call it caramel or caramel? Leave it in the comments because I am so anxious to know. Some people call it caramel. I myself call it caramel. But then you just give it a good mix and start letting it melt all together. The caramel with the butter. All right, guys, as you can see, that caramel is melting very nicely with that butter, and you're just gonna keep mixing it until it gets real soupy. We're just about there. Just these last couple caramels that need to get nice and melted. And while that finishes up getting melted, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some popcorn kernels. And now these are gonna be a fun additive because this is where the magic happens. So you're just gonna pour some kernels into the caramel. That looks like it's about enough. And then you're just gonna get all of those kernels nice and coated. Oh yeah, look at that. This is gonna be some yummy, yummy caramel popcorn. Perfect for a nice fall gathering. I don't know if you guys do movies with your friends, but this would be so much fun to have some friends over and eating some caramel popcorn. So you're just gonna get that nice and coated. And then if you need to add some more, go ahead. Again, I don't know how much you have or the sizing of your pan, so use your own judgment on that. But as you can see, it's starting to bubble up. That's exactly what we want because that's what we're gonna need for the popcorn to start popping. So add a little lid and just let it get to popping. And we'll check back in. All right, guys, as you can see, we're starting to get some of that caramel popping. Woo, my goodness, that's exactly what we're wanting here. Let's get some of that popcorn popping. So nice and yummy. I'm gonna turn down our temperature so we don't burn our popcorn, and you're just gonna keep that lid closed. All right, look at that caramel. It has gotten so good with the popcorn. This is what it will look like once it's starting to form together. And if you just take it off the stove and let it harden a little bit more, then it'll start to separate a little bit more. But for now, let's grab a little piece. Perfect fall treat. Your friends are gonna love it. I mean, look at that popcorn. It's so good. Happy fall, y'all.